The most amazing modern manufacturing process technology, excellent processing factory machines. Woolrich. The wools and cotton are taken out from giant stock pots, where these are colored with the desired color that further adds to the beauty of the final product. Then, these wools are mixed with other elements that are necessary to manufacture the final product, such as the raw cotton, which is put in the container that is inbuilt with a system that further tears them into linear parts. The process is perpetuated with various other colors of wool too, until the rolling machine transforms the raw wools and cotton into a fine thread with the rolling procedures. The vertically shaped machine integrates various threads into each other and sends them towards the rolling presser, which balances the newer shaped threads, and the fine threads become vivid. Most of these processes are automated, but entail a bit of manual labor efforts too. The threads are finally made and initiated where threads of various colors are integrated, and several pigments of color are later seen in the carpets. Ultimately, the machine separates various carpets consisting of different colors by polishing them and making them elegant in looks. Rodotec AG. The manufacturing of baby pacifiers begins with a liquidated solid plastic whose nipple is initially created and then which are further escalated towards an automated picker similar to a human hand. It picks it up and places it towards the press, which laterally attaches it to the body of the pacifier. Secondly, then it is balanced by the next picker so that each nipple is being created has a uniform shape. And ultimately, the body which holds the nipple is sent towards finishing, where more automated and similar machines attach an additional component that helps the newborns to hold the pacifier and place it in their mouths once they create the habit of it. And then the machines attach the final holder of various colors. Finally, then the pacifiers are sent towards a mild heat that is given up to a determined extent to make the pacifier more flexible and easier to hold by the babies. The pacifiers become ready and are sent to the packaging portion for their packaging and become ready to be supplied in the market, which for sure are going to dedicate the babies. Laundrylux. Aluminum sheets are used every way around. This company manufactures various aluminum products, including the Laundrylux washing machine as their edge product. The operations for the washing machine production begins by escalating the aluminum plates to get the initial shape of the upper front. After a series of balanced presses, the plate is sent towards the shaper where it gets a balanced cut for the upper front. The shape is tied and becomes ready for an automated paint and then collection. The next crucial step in the manufacturing is of the main body that begins by rolling the aluminum sheet, which seams as the gaster and sent to multiple processes for the finest shape and quality, and then attached with the whirlpool, which is also designed with caution. Then the main body is created, which also holds the controls of the washing machine, and various other components are compiled with a quality check. Then comes the time where the electronics department comes into action by undertaking the responsibility for the attachments of electrical components that drive the machines to carry the washing operations. A series of the process is done at this stage, and the integration of the whole process almost creates the washing machine. But the other steps remain yet. Now, the opener of the machine is finally attached to the machine, and the machine is prepared for the last quality check before packing it. It is analyzed by an automated and machinery process to give it a proper check. And ultimately, various stickers of each test are attached to the machine and sent for packaging. Finally, the machine becomes ready to be sent to the market, where the consumer can make a purchase of it and carry its utilization. If you'd like to watch more similar videos, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon so that you can be the first person to get the latest updates from us. And write down in the comments section what you would like to watch in the next upcoming videos.